Jeep has some much-needed small SUVs in the pipeline. That includes replacements for the Jeep Cherokee SUV and a new $25,000 Jeep Renegade, plugging holes in the lineup that have hurt the bottom line at Stellantis. The next-generation Jeep Cherokee compact SUV will be available in 2025 to complement the larger Grand Cherokee, Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares confirmed during a call to discuss first-half earnings, which he called disappointing and humbling, especially in North America. Jeep has some much-needed small SUVs in the pipeline. That includes replacements for the Jeep Cherokee SUV and a new $25,000 Jeep Renegade, plugging holes in the lineup that have hurt the bottom line at Stellantis. The next-generation Jeep Cherokee compact SUV will be available in 2025 to complement the larger Grand Cherokee, Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares confirmed during a call to discuss first-half earnings, which he called disappointing and humbling, especially in North America. "We knew a new Cherokee was planned, but did not have a concrete timeline, until now." Tavares said he has seen the designs for the sixth-generation Cherokee is on track to fill the white space created with the decision to discontinue the Cherokee last year when the automaker idled the Belvidere, Illinois, plant. Stellantis has not said where the new Cherokee will be built. Tavares said the Cherokee's absence is reflected in lower U.S. sales in the first half of the year, which were down about 16% and market share fell 2 points to 8.2%. The CEO acknowledged that Jeep is underrepresented in the small SUV segments. But the answer is not to offer the small Jeep Avenger electric SUV in North America. The Avenger is sold in Europe and the plan is to introduce it in Latin America within 18 months to complement the Renegade there. Instead, North America will get a successor to the Jeep Renegade in 2026. Tavares said he has no regrets about pulling the Renegade subcompact SUV from North America because it was not making money. The next Renegade, offered with an internal combustion engine as well as a pure EV, will have a cost structure to make it profitable at a starting price of $25,000. It will be built in North America. The Jeep lineup will expand from 10 global models to 13 by 2027, 6 of which will be full EVs, including the 2024 Wagoneer S to take on Tesla, and the Recon with its off-road capability. Range-extended plug-in hybrid versions of the Jeep Wagoneer 3-row SUV and the more premium Grand Wagoneer are also in the works, as well as a Gladiator PHEV. Stellantis will launch 20 new vehicles this year, including refresh of the Ram 1500 full-size pickup truck with internal combustion engine as well as the extended-range Ram 1500 Ramcharger and the electric Ram 1500 REV. The 2024 Maserati Grecale Folgore, which is the electric version, will be joined by Folgore versions of the Maserati GT and the Grand Cabrio.